Okay, let's talk about what is SEO. More importantly, what is local SEO? To put it in simpler terms, SEO is a marketing discipline focused on growing visibility in organic, non-paid search engine results. Okay, and I'll give you an example later on. But basically, anything when you look up Google or Yahoo or Bing, Google being the 800-pound gorilla in search engines, in the room, any search results that comes up in the search engines naturally on the top or naturally on the first page, that's what most people will click on, and that's what is SEO, the process of getting our website there. Okay, and last slide, I'll go to an example. It'll probably make sense. Local SEO is really a marketing discipline. It's a way of marketing focused on growing visibility in non-paid organic. That's the keyword, non-paid organic search engine results for a business or service in the local area. So, example, you want to click on, let's say, plumber in Chicago. Okay, let me pause it and bring up an example. Okay, so example, what is local SEO? Simple. Let's say I'm looking for a plumber in Chicago. Chicago, if I can spell that right. Okay. What this is on the top you see is actually paid ads. As a matter of fact, this is a pretty new form of paid ads that is coming up, that Google has come up for certain niches called home services. Okay. These are sponsored, paid. You have to pay Google. Actually, this is pay per lead. Okay. Every time somebody calls you from here, you have to pay Google. This is Google AdWords or paid ads. Okay, every time I click on this guy has to pay Google. Every time a customer clicks on the link, the company has to pay Google. What SEO is getting our website to the maps and to the organic results. So basically, free non-paid search results. Getting our website over here is what is local SEO, to put it in simple terms. And why would we want to do that? Because if I go in and search for a plumber in Chicago, obviously I'm looking for a plumber in Chicago. I need a plumber. I'm in Chicago, I need a plumber. And most of the time, I am not going to go scroll past all this and go to page 2 or page 4 or page 5. I'm just going to do a search, and then I'm going to come here and then click on one of these, and just call the phone number and say, hey, I need a plumber to come, fix a pipe. Can you come and give me an estimate or a quote? So when I click on any of these guys are getting free traffic. They are not paying per click as these guys are doing. This is paid services. So let me take a different example, right? Let me do tree removal near me. Okay. Now I'm in Michigan, and if you see here, there are no paid ads. I can click on any of these guys any number of times, and that's free traffic basically to them. I am not going to go all the way down, go to the page number 4, and look for the prettiest website. I am just looking for a service to remove my tree, and I'm going to call one of these guys, mostly on the top 3 in the maps, or worst case over here. Okay, and most people don't just search by this. I know I might be something searching for something bigger like tooth, um, or let's say dentist near me who accepts, Medicare, Medicaid. Now people can search for any kind of anything, right? And so, you might get some results here without what's called a map pack, but these are all what's called organic or non-paid. And if we get our website to the top of these pages for these keywords, these search terms, obviously, we're getting a lot of traffic. We're going to get customers than somebody who's on page 2, page 3, page 10, etc. So hope this made some sense. In the next chapter, we'll go on to the next step on how to go about it.